If you have ever watched someone lay bricks and wondered how they keep it all so straight and level, this video is for you. It is not just skill, there is a system. And once you understand it, the whole thing makes complete sense. We will cover foundations in a separate video. Subscribe so you do not miss that one. For now, assume the foundation is down and cured, because that is where the interesting part starts. Before any mortar goes down, lay the first course of bricks out dry along the foundation. Dry just means no mortar yet. You're just checking the spacing and working out if any cuts are needed. Far better to find that out before the mortar is mixed. Some bricks have an indented hollow on one face called a frog. If your bricks have one, always lay them frog side up. The mortar fills that hollow and locks the brick into place. Not all bricks have a frog. Solid bricks and engineering bricks often do not. But if yours does, frog up every time. Now the number that runs through everything. A standard UK brick is 65mm high. The mortar joint is 10mm. Add those together and every course rises by exactly 75mm. That is called the gauge. Every course, 75mm. Consistent gauge is what makes brickwork look professional. To keep the gauge consistent, bricklayers use a gauge rod. It is simply a straight length of timber with marks every 75mm. Hold it against the wall and every course should hit a mark. Too high or too low, adjust the mortar bed thickness on the next course to bring it back. Simple but essential. Now the line. This is the bit that makes everything click into place. You do not check every single brick with a spirit level. That would take forever. Instead, you build the corners first, each one checked carefully for 3 things. Level, horizontally flat, plumb, perfectly vertical, and gauge, hitting that 75mm mark every course. The corners become the guide for everything between them. Once the corners are up, a string line is stretched between them at the height of the course being laid. The line is held in place using line pins, small metal pins pushed into the mortar joint at each end, or line blocks which clip over the corner brick. The line runs along the top front edge of the course. Not the middle, not the back, the very top front edge. Every brick that goes in between the 2 corners is laid to that line. The front top edge of each brick should just kiss the line, touching it but never pushing it out. If a brick pushes the line outward even slightly, the wall starts to bow. You lay to the line. The line is your level. The line is your guide. When the course is finished, the pins move up 1 gauge mark and the line goes up with them. Corners always ahead, line always guiding the middle, gauge rod always checking the height. That is the whole system. The pattern the bricks are laid in matters too. The most common pattern in the UK is called stretcher bond. Each brick is offset from the one below by half a brick length, so the vertical joints never line up on top of each other. This spreads the load across multiple bricks rather than running straight down through one weak point. Stretcher bond is the standard pattern you will see on almost every brick wall and house in the UK. One more thing worth knowing. At 150mm above ground level, usually the second course, a damp-proof course goes in, called the DPC. It is a strip of bitumen or plastic membrane bedded into the mortar that stops moisture from the ground travelling up through the brickwork. For any wall attached to or close to a building, it is a legal requirement. If anyone is building brickwork against your house and there is no DPC, ask why. So, that is how a brick wall gets built. Bricks laid frog up if they have one. Every course rising 75mm. Corners built first, checked for level, plumb and gauge. String lines stretched between them guiding every brick in the middle. Stretcher bond keeping the joints staggered. DPC keeping the damp out. Next time you watch someone laying bricks, you will know exactly what they're doing. And if something does not look right, you will know that too. Subscribe for the foundations video and everything else WhiteBuilds has coming. That is what we are here for.